that they have given us. Okay, so now in these two equations we cannot use substitution or elimination, because then the calculation will go like very long calculation will be there, and there are chances that you can get the wrong answers. So in these type of questions, what we will do, we will reduce these equations. How? Like, we will take 1 upon x as u and 1 upon y as v. We are reducing the equations. Then what we can write, this first equation, it is 1 upon 2x, right? So 1 upon 2x means 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x. 1 upon 2x का मतलब ये है, plus 1 upon 3y. So 1 upon 3 into 1 upon y is equals to 2. This was the first equation. So now we are reducing this 1 upon x to u. We are taking it as u. So it will become 1 upon 2 u plus 1 upon 3 v is equals to 2. Okay. Now then you will reduce this equation. How you will reduce? It's 1 upon 2u plus 1 upon 3v is equals to 2. So then when the two fractions are being added up, so denominator must be same. If it's not same, you will cross multiply. So this 3 will go and multiply there, this 2 will multiply here, and these 2 will multiply together. So 2 3 is 6, 6 will come here, and 3u plus 2v is equals to 2. So 3u plus 2v is equals to this 6, go this side and multiply 2 into 6, that is 12. So 3u plus 2v is equals to 12. This will be our first equation now. We have reduced this 2x and 3y. Whenever the x and y are in denominator, most of the times you will be using this reducing the equation method. You will not use elimination, you will not use substitution. Whenever x and y are in the denominator, first thing is you will take 1 upon x as u and 1 upon y as v. This is the thing that you have to do. Any doubts in this reduction on first equation?
No, ma'am.
So this is how we will reduce. This will be our first equation. Now the same thing you will do in this second equation. Second equation को भी reduce करेंगे. So the equation that we got here, first equation is reduced to 3u wait 3u plus 2v is equals to 12. Let it dry. So this is our first equation. Now second equation is this one, 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. So same can be reduced to 1 upon 3u plus 1 upon 2v is equals to 13 upon 6. Again, you will take LCM here or cross multiply 3 to the 6 2 will go multiply there, 2u plus 3v is equals to 13 upon 6. Any doubts in this step?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Now this 6 and this 6 will cancel out. It will be 2u plus 3v is equals to 13. This will be our second equation. Now what we have done, these two equations we have reduced to these two forms. Now for solving these two, you can use any of the methods. Any of the methods means you can use substitution, you can use elimination, any method you can use. The two equations are 3u plus 2v and 2u plus 3v. So what you think is suitable? You can use elimination or substitution. So what
Ma'am,
should I use?
elimination.
Elimination?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for elimination, if I want to eliminate v, for example, you can eliminate u also. Okay, but I want to eliminate v. So it is 3v, it is 2v. I have to make it same. So what I will do, I will convert this 3 by multiplying the whole equation by 2 because 3 2s are 6. And this whole equation I will multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6. Because I have to make the coefficient same so that when we are subtracting, we will eliminate. So now when I'm adding the multiplying these, so 3 say when I'm multiplying the whole equation, it will become 9u. 3 2s are 6v. 12 3s are
36.
okay, you will write here. Then 2 ko you will multiply with this whole equation. So 2 2s are 4u plus 2 3s are 6v. 13 2s are.
26.
Yes.
Then we are subtracting these two equations. So for subtraction, signs will get reversed. The plus number will become minus. Plus minus, this will cancel out. So now it is eliminated. So 9 minus 4 is 5u. 36 minus 26 is 10. So u is equals to 2. Now u की value is 10, but we need to find about x. So we know that u is equals to 1 upon x because we have assumed this. So if u is 2, so x is equals to 1 upon 2. So when in these type of question, the most common mistake is the students are solving till u and v only. They are not solving till x. And when you are solving x, so if you are finding out that 2 is equals to 1 upon x, then x will go up here, 2 will come down. So x is equals to 1 upon 2. You will not write x is equals to 2. This is wrong. These are the common mistakes that we have seen. So now we have got the value of u here. This u key value you will put in any of these equations to find the value of v. For example, I am putting this in first equation. So 3u, so 3 into 2 because u is 2 here, plus 2v is equals to 12. 6 plus 2v is equals to 12. 2v is equals to 6, v is equals to 3. So y is equals to 1 upon 3. So that means reducing means whenever the variables are in denominator, you have to reduce first of all. The equations you will reduce in terms of u, v, p, q, any other variable you will reduce. And after reduction, you have to use any one of the method that we have learned in earlier exercises, that is substitution or elimination. Concept is clear. How to reduce.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall I move ahead? I'll erase this or you are writing. If you want to write, I can wait for 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Any one of you want to write or can I move ahead? Okay, shall I move ahead? You all are
Yes, ma'am.
sleeping.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are sleeping.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I am erasing this. Okay, next part, second part. You all have NCRT books?
Yes, ma'am.
Second part
Yes, ma'am.
is, chalo, girls are not sleeping. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon under root y is equals to 2, and second equation is 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equals to minus 1. Suppose this type of question will come in your exam. So directly you can think, हाँ, we cannot use substitution directly, or we cannot use elimination method directly because x and y are in the denominator. So it's very tough for us to solve it directly. So first thing is you have to reduce these equations. So when you are reducing, this is our first equation, this is our second equation. So now what I will take, like in earlier example, I have taken 1 upon x as u. Now what I will take, 1 upon root x, because it is in denominator now, so root x will be in denominator. 1 upon root x I am taking as p, and 1 upon root y I am taking as q. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will reduce. We are starting to reduce it. Now since the number is in numerator, it is not in denominator. So it will be up here only. So 2 upon root x means 2p. Because 1 upon root x जो था इसमें, that is p only. So 2p plus 3q is equals to 2. For those who have not understood, you can write down 2 upon root x as 2 into 1 upon root x. So 2 will come directly here, and 1 upon root x ki jagah you can write p. So 2p. So this will be our first equation. Second equation will be 4p minus 9q is equals to minus 1. This will be our second equation. Now, which method should I use here now? For solving p and q, what method should I use?
Elimination.
Elimination. So for elimination, क्या मुझे दोनों इक्वेशंस को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा नंबर से, जैसे लास्ट क्वेश्चन में किया है?
No, ma'am.
और
Only for first equation. By
only
3.
first equation. Only first equation we have to multiply by.
3.
You can multiply by 3 or you can multiply by 2 also. P को अगर eliminate करना है तो, but we are using 3. So when you are multiplying by 3, so 3 2s are 6p, 3 3s are 9q, 3 2s are 6. So this is our first equation. Now this is our second equation. Add both the equation. 4p minus 9q is equals to minus 1. When will you add and when will you subtract? That depends on the sign. If already it is plus minus, then directly you have to add. If it is both are having the same signs, then you have to subtract, because you have to make the signs opposite. Only then we can eliminate. If signs are opposite, only then we can eliminate. So now we will add directly, because already 9q is minus and 3q is plus. So directly you can add, no change of signs will be there. Add करना है. So 6 plus 4p, 10p. 6 minus 1, 5. So p is equals to 5 divided by 10. So it will be 1 upon 2. Now p क्या था? हमने p को क्या लिया था? 1 upon root x. So p is 1 upon root x is equals to 1 upon 2. So when you are cross multiplying this, so it will be root x is equals to 2. So x is equals to, when root goes that side, it will be square. So 2 ka square.
Ma'am,
Yes.
why should we add?
Why should we add? Because
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have to eliminate, है ना? Eliminate करना है. तो अगर मैं add करूंगी तभी eliminate होंगे, because it is of plus sign, it is of minus sign. You all know if I'm doing like 2 plus 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2, 0. So elimination के लिए, if the numbers are exactly same, then their signs must be opposite. This 2 is of plus sign and this 2 is of minus sign. Only then they are eliminated. So already we can see ना ये minus में है पहले से, ये plus में है. Subtraction हम तब करते हैं when we need to change the signs. Here we need not to change the sign, it's already in plus and minus. That's why we have added it directly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, when the signs are same, only then you will subtract. Like in last question we have done. अगर मान लो यहाँ पे भी प्लस होता तो मैं फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट करती क्योंकि अरे यार ये तो कटेगा ही नहीं. +9 क्यों अरे तो ऐड हो गए 18 क्यों हो गए, तो इट विल नॉट बी एलिमिनेटेड. So and that time we will subtract to make the signs opposite so that they can be eliminated. We have to eliminate one variable so that we can solve the equation. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tarunya, screen is not visible. Tarunya.
It is visible, ma'am.
Okay. So this question is clear now. You know P is 1 upon 2. So you can easily find out Q also by putting in any of these equations. Suppose this first equation I am taking, this one. So 2P plus 3Q is equals to 2. Now P की value I know it is 1 upon 2. Put it here, substitute 1 upon 2 plus 3Q is equals to 2. Now ये करके तो 1 बचा यहाँ पे. 1 plus 3Q is equals to 2. So 3Q is equals to 2 minus 1, that is 1. So Q is equals to 1 by 3. So Y is equals to Y is equals to 9. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so these two questions I have solved here. Now I will not do the whole calculation part. I will only reduce the equation so that you will solve substitution.
Ma'am, how y
elimination.
equals 9?
Huh?
Ma'am, how ma'am y is 9?
Y is 9, like X. Like 1 upon root Y is 1 upon 3. Cross multiply. 3 ones are 3. Root Y is equals to 3. So Y root when goes that side, it will become square. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So note it down. Then I will erase and then we will reduce the next question.
Ma'am, here when root x transfers to the denominator to numerator, not become square.
Cross multiplying.
Okay.
See, this step is visible
Yes, ma'am.
and this step. So what we are doing cross multiply now. So 3 ones are 3 and root y ones are root y. So root y is equals to 3. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we move ahead? Third question. It's 4 upon x plus 3y equals to 14 and 3 upon x minus 4y is equals to 23. Fourth part, 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equals to 2. 6 upon x minus 1 plus 3. These are the 4 parts. Rest of the parts are there. Fifth part, 7x minus 2y upon xy is equals to 5. And second equation is 8x plus 7y upon xy is equals to 15. Okay, these are the 3 parts. Okay, you will reduce, first of all, only reduce third and fourth. Third and fourth. And tell me the equations. Only you have to form the equations.
Ma'am, 4u plus 3y is equal to 14.
Okay.
3
Then
minus 4y is equal to 4
4u plus 3y is equals to 14. Very good. And 3u
3u.
minus 4y is equals to 23.
3u plus 4y is equal to 23.
Ma'am, 4v no, ma'am.
V you have taken, but no need now. Y is y here.
Okay, ma'am.
V is what you have supposed. V is equals to.
Y.
So if you are taking V is equals to y, so directly take it y. If it is changed
Okay.
like 1 upon y, root y, something like that, then only we can see. Here you can only reduce x wala part. 1 upon x को हमने u ले लिया to make our calculation easy, and y will be y only. So these two equations you will be having to solve. This is first equation, this is second equation. Now which method we will use here? Elimination. Suppose I want to eliminate, this is plus, this is minus, so this is easy to eliminate. So 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So this equation you will multiply by 3, and this equation you will multiply by 4,
4.
and then simply add. Why we will add only? Because already signs are opposite. We need not to do anything. So simply add kar dena, change karke. So this you can do it by yourself. Now this equation, tell me. In this equation you have taken 1 upon u as, 1 upon x as u. Okay. Now this equation, tell me. Fourth question. Tell me the equations.
Ma'am, 5u plus v is equal to 2.
5u plus v is equals to 2, and
6u plus 3v is equal to 1.
V is equal to 1.
okay, where u is equals to and v is equals to is what? U is
1 by x minus 1.
very good. And v is
1 by y minus 2.
very good. So first of all, we will solve these two equations only. Okay. So how we will solve these equations? In this method, you can, in this question, you can use substitution as well as elimination. In substitution, you can find out the value of v, that is 2 minus 5u. That 2 minus 5u you can put here and solve this. Okay, or you can use elimination, it is easy. You can multiply the first equation by 3. So it will be 3v. Now the signs are same. If I'll add, so 3 plus 3 will be 6. It will not eliminate. So I have to subtract. So I will subtract, so ये eliminate हो जाएगा. Then you can solve it. If you are having any doubt, I can solve it further, or we should move ahead.
मैम वो स्टेप पता नहीं चला मैम.
कौन सा step?
मैम वो 5v plus v equals to.
This question is clear. Third part.
Yes मैम.
Shall I raise this?
Yes मैम.
Okay, this first equation is 5u plus v is equals to 2. Let it multiply by 3. So it will become 3 5 is a 15u plus 3v is equals to 6. This will be our first equation. And second equation you have got 6u plus 3v is equals to 1. Now I have to see for elimination. If I'll add, then nothing will be eliminated. So I have to subtract. So for subtraction, what you will do, signs will get opposite. 15 minus 6.
9.
15 minus 6.
9.
9u. 6 minus 1. Is it clear? Now u is 1 upon x minus 1. Put it here. Cross multiply. 9 is equals to 5x minus 5. 5x is equals to 9 plus 5. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes ma'am.
So v can you can solve now. For v also you can solve. Now the fifth part. Fifth part is 7x minus 2y upon xy is equals to 5 and 8x plus 7y upon xy is equals to 15. Okay, first step will be you will move this xy to that side. So 7x minus 2y is equals to 5xy and it will be 8x plus 7y is equals to 15xy. Now the first thing is xy is extra because we don't have this format now. एक constant होना चाहिए, constant है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. And when we'll solve, we cannot eliminate, we cannot do anything because xy will be a problem for us. So we have to remove xy first of all. So both sides of the equation you will divide by xy. Okay. Divide by xy. All the terms. When you are doing the same thing in LHS and RHS, then the value of the equation will not change. Okay, like we are multiplying now, when we are eliminating, we are multiplying the whole equation by 2, right? So in that value will not change. You can do that. कुछ भी अपनी मर्जी से आप अगर कर रहे हो तो दोनों साइड पे आप अगर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, डिवाइड कर रहे हो, it should be same on both sides. So I have divided the whole equation by xy. So xy and xy will cancel out here, y and y cancel out, x and x cancel out. So this equation will become 7 upon y, 2 upon x, 5. This equation will become 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equals to 15. Now you will reduce it and tell me the equation.
Ma'am, 7v minus 2u is equal to 5. 7x minus 2y is equal to 5.
X we cannot take now, x is there only. 7u. अच्छा, v.
Ma'am, 7v, ma'am.
7v
Minus 2u
minus. Very good.
equals 5.
And
8v plus 7u equals 15.
okay, now which number you want to, which variable you want to eliminate now? Which is easy to eliminate?
Ma'am, elimination.
Elimination में which variable we will eliminate here? U or V? Which
U.
which variable we will eliminate?
Ma'am, u.
U. So if I want to eliminate U, it is 2 here, it is 7. So 2 को we can make 14. So by 7 से multiply कर दोगे. And this equation by 2. So it will become 7 7s are 49V. 7 2s are 14U. 7 5s are. This is our first equation. Second equation multiply by 2. So 2 8s are 16V. 2 7s are 14U. 15 2s are
30.
Now tell me, these two equations are there. We want to eliminate this part. So
Subtraction.
add करोगे subtraction. Very good. So if I subtract, minus become plus. It's minus. Now this plus minus will cancel out. Eliminate हो गया U. 49 minus 16.
33.
Very good. 33V. 35 minus 30.
5.
Now this V, what was V here? 1 upon Y. So V की value is 5 upon 33. Cross multiply.
5y is equal to 33.
So Y is equals to.
33 by 5.
Similarly, you can find out U. इस V की value को किसी भी equation में put कर दोगे and then solve it. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Try solving it. Then sixth part is also very easy. This was sixth part, na?
5th, ma'am.
Fifth, okay.
Ma'am,
Sixth part भी ऐसे, yes.
ma'am, उधर 8v plus 7u आना था मैम.
यहाँ पे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now you will not subtract. You can directly add. Who is this? Okay, 2 8 the 16 V plus 14 U equals to 30. Now you have to add simply. Cancel out 16 and 49.
65.
65 V V is equals to 1, so 1 upon Y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1. That calculation part you can check, but concept is clear. How you will reduce the equation, that is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you will attempt all the questions of this exercise. Word problems, leave the word problems right now. If you want to attempt, you can do. But only this, first of all, you have to practice. Then we will go for the word problems in the next session. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So all the questions apart from word problem. Word problem छोड़ दो अभी, बाकी पूरी exercise complete करनी है. And any doubts, you can message me on WhatsApp or Google Classroom. Okay? And fees, those who have not paid fees, please pay the fees of the second quarter. Okay, now I am ending the class. Those who have understood, write your name in the chat box and start leaving.
Bye, ma'am.
What?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.